Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are tearing into the ultimate cosmic what if. We're going to map out the mind-bending consequences of actually cracking faster than light travel. We aren't just talking about some neat sci-fi trope here. We're exploring exactly how reality fundamentally shifts the exact moment that impossible barrier is finally broken.
Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, turn on your phone, and see this massive, literally reality-altering headline. Scientists have broken the ultimate speed limit of the universe. Just imagine the absolute cultural shockwave, right? We aren't just talking about building a faster engine. No, we're talking about completely shattering a century-old scientific belief that underpins our entire understanding of reality.
So, what if we suddenly discovered a way? A discovery of this magnitude wouldn't just be a neat parlor trick for theoretical physicists in some underground lab. It would fundamentally alter our relationship with space, with time, and honestly with the entire trajectory of our future as a species.
Let's start with Section 1, the ultimate speed limit and defeating cosmic distances.
300,000 kilometers a second. Now, on Earth, light speed sounds incredibly fast, right? But on a cosmic scale, it is basically a crawl. Seriously, even if we hit the universe's ultimate speed limit today, we'd still be functionally stuck in our own little neighborhood. Our galaxy alone holds hundreds of billions of stars, and they're separated by voids so insanely vast that light itself takes literal lifetimes to cross them.
To put that into perspective, right now, reaching the absolute nearest star at light speed would take over 4 agonizing years. Over 4 years. But with faster-than-light travel, those exact same colossal distances just vanish in mere hours. The completely untouchable suddenly becomes, well, a quick day trip.
Which brings us to Section 2, an interstellar civilization, leaving our single world behind.
Think about how this cascades. Step 1, suddenly, Mars isn't this multi-month, extremely perilous expedition, it's a short commute. Step 2, nearby star systems basically become weekend getaways. And step 3, within a single generation, we could literally be colonizing entirely new planets. We would rapidly expand across the cosmos as a true interstellar civilization, with actual human settlements popping up around distant suns.
Because of that kind of explosive, rapid expansion, the biggest question for our species fundamentally shifts. For all of human history, we've looked up and asked if we could ever reach the stars. But now, the question simply becomes, which star should we visit next? Moving on to Section 3, the first contact dilemma, the reality of not being alone.
But here is where it gets incredibly tricky. This creates the ultimate double-edged sword. On one hand, we're looking at incredible opportunities. First contact could introduce us to totally new cultures, revolutionary technologies, and alien ideas far beyond our current imagination. But on the other hand, we face unimaginable danger. Let's be real, there is absolutely zero guarantee that our new neighbors are going to be friendly. The universe instantly becomes a landscape of both incredible promise and intense, unknown risk.
That leads us right into Section 4, the time paradox problem, breaking the fabric of time.
Okay, here is where the physics gets truly, truly weird. You see, a paradox is this highly debated concept where traveling faster than light creates logical contradictions by messing with time itself. Breaking the speed limit doesn't just move us through space faster, it could fundamentally break causality. Time and space are intimately woven together, like a giant cosmic fabric, meaning a shortcut through one is literally a shortcut through the other.
So, think about these wild possibilities. Could you arrive at your destination before you even left? Crazy, right? Or what about sending a warning back into your own past? If we ever flip that FTL switch, we aren't just navigating stars anymore. We might literally be changing history itself. The chaotic nature of time travel means that outrunning light could actually mean outrunning causality altogether.
Finally, let's wrap up with Section 5, humanity's future reality, from fiction to our new home. The stars become cities. The galaxy becomes our home. The impossible becomes reality. It's wild to think about, but just one single scientific breakthrough takes this unimaginably vast cosmos and effectively turns the whole shebang right into our backyard.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final mind-bending thought to ponder. If this impossible technology existed tomorrow morning, where would you go first? It is a massive, fascinating universe out there, waiting for us. Keep asking those big questions.